Appearance. Accessories. Installation. Install the hose wheel on the trolley. Align the fixing holes of the base with the fixing studs. Remove the lid of the water chamber. Install the airborne connector to the water chamber. Connect the water chamber to the host air outlet. Ensure to connect firmly between the airborne connector and the air outlet without gap. Insert the pin into the sterile water bag. Unlock the buckle so that water can automatically enter into the water chamber. Fitting properly the breathing tube with the air outlet of the airborne. Connect the end of the breathing tube to the nasal cannula. The breathing tube could be hung on the trolley hook. Install the high-pressure oxygen collecting tube. Connect one end with nut to the oxygen inlet. Tighten the nut. The gun-type connector at the other end connected to the outlet port of oxygen source. Connect the power supply and plug in the power cord. There are 3 interfaces besides: SPO2 interface, USB interface, micro SD card slot. The device will automatically power on after connecting the AC power. When the system completes initialization and enters to standby, click the touch screen or press the knob to display 5 menu options. Setting. Select the system menu where you can set parameters and review relative information. Flow, high flow mode and no flow mode. Single therapy time 0 to 99 hours. Step 1 hour. Language: English, Chinese, Turkish, Spanish, Portuguese. Backline time on 30 to 600 seconds. Step 30 seconds. Breathless 0 to 100%. Step 1%. Night mode can be set on, off. Start time and stop time setting range 0 o'clock to 24 o'clock. Step 0.5 hours. Low flow mode parameter setting range and step. Parameter setting. Click setting. Press and hold on the knob or the knock icon for 2 seconds to unlock. Flow setting range 2 to 25 liter minutes. Step 1 liter per minute. Oxygen concentration setting range 21% to 100%. Step 1%. Temperature 34 degree, not adjustable. Humidity setting range -4 to 4 never. Step 1 never. High flow mode, parameters setting range and step. Flow setting range 10 to 80 meter per minute. Step 1 to 25 meter per minute with the 1 liter per minute step. 25 to 80 liter per minute with 5 liter per minute step. Oxygen concentration setting range 21% to 100%, step 1%. Temperature setting range 29 degree to 37 degree, step 1 degree. Humidity setting range -4 to 4 never, step 1 never. Alarm setting, click alarms to enter the menu for setting. High oxygen alarm 30% to 100%, step 1%. No oxygen alarm 21% to 30%, step 1%. Automatic maintenance 0 hour 900 to 1800 hours, step 30 hours. Liter oxygen pressure on, off. Room temperature alarm on, off. Nasal cannula off alarm on, off. Operation. After the setting, press Start Stop button to enter standby. After standby, the device will enter the therapy treatment. It will beep twice and start timing. Other function. SpO2 module. Install the SpO2 module and put on the probe. Real-time oxygen saturation and pulse rate will be displayed on the screen. Monitor. Click Monitor to enter the interface with the real-time display. Oxygen concentration, temperature, flow, respiratory rate, oxygen source pressure, oxygen saturation, pulse rate, RUX index. Review function. Click Review to view the parameter information of flow, oxygen concentration, and the temperature for 1, 3, 7, and 30 days. 1 key to enter no flow mode. Press and hold down the knob for 5 seconds on the high flow mode. It will be shifted to no flow mode. Press and hold down for 5 seconds to exit no flow mode. If alarmed during therapy, a prompt text will appear on the screen with the sound and light. Press the mute button to pause the alarm sound for 120 seconds. Breath tube drying function to delay shutdown and dry the pipeline for next therapy. Can set 30, 60, 90 minutes. After therapy time, press and hold on the Start Stop button for 3 seconds to enter breath tube drying. When the nasal cannula is removed, the display will show breath tube drying. Please close the oxygen valve. Then breath tube drying time countdown. The sound alert can be illuminated by mute button. Wi-Fi function, optional function. Select the connectable wireless network in the list before therapy. The treatment data can be transmitted to the network server after connected.